In this video, I'll break down the 5 biggest problems stopping Americans from making money, online or offline, in 2025, and I'll show you how to beat them. Each one is based on real data, real pain, and real struggles, facing people across the country every single day. If you've tried freelancing, selling online, starting a side hustle, or even just saving a little and you feel stuck, this is the video for you, because the truth is, the system is not designed for your success, but I'll show you how to flip it. Let's begin. Problem 1. Too much scammy money-making content online. Every platform is flooded with videos promising make $500 a day from home or use this secret side hustle to get rich fast. But 90% of these are either fake exaggerated or outdated. They confuse people, waste time, and build false hope. While real opportunities stay buried and hard to find, people waste months on dropshipping courses or affiliate schemes that don't fit them or never work long-term. The fix is follow verified platforms with real user payouts like Upwork, Fiverr, or Indeed for remote jobs, or use legit gig apps like Rover, DoorDash, and Instacart. Not mystery websites. Also follow creators who show process, not just results, and always ask who is making money here, you or the seller of the course. Problem 2. Information overload with zero strategy. People search how to make money online and find millions of ideas. Content creation, blogging, reselling AI tools, NFTs, surveys, tutoring, stock trading, but no roadmap, no steps, no filtering. The result is paralysis. People try everything for one day, then give up, because there's no structure, no priority, no fit for their actual skills or time. Fix this by first asking, what are you good at or can learn quickly? Pick one model based on skill and energy. For example, if you're good with writing, go for freelance writing or content gigs. If you're social, try TikTok, affiliate sales, or live stream selling. Build one lane for 30 days before jumping to another, and track hours, not outcomes at first, because skills grow before money shows. Problem 3. Low-paying gigs and race to the bottom. Even if you find online work, many Americans are stuck earning pennies per task. Sites like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, or random writing platforms pay $2 for hours of work. There's global competition driving down wages, and many companies exploit beginners who don't know their value. Fix this by leveling up. Once you get 5 to 10 reviews on any platform, raise your price and move to better platforms or build your own client base. Don't stay stuck in cheap labor zones. Build a portfolio website using free tools like Card or Notion, and start outbound messaging to small businesses who can pay more. Problem 4. Platform dependency and account bans. A lot of creators and freelancers rely on one site, TikTok, YouTube, Etsy, or Fiverr, then lose everything overnight from a random ban or algorithm change. This ruins income flows and forces people to start over from zero. Platforms own your audience, not you. Always build outside the platform. Start an email list. Use Gumroad to sell direct use, Linktree, or a personal site to give your followers multiple ways to find you, and never rely on just one channel. Diversify by mirroring your work across at least 3 outlets. Problem 5. People quit too early from lack of instant money. This is the most dangerous one in 2025. People expect to earn fast like in a game or movie, but real online income builds slow. Consistency is boring. And most quit after a week or two when money doesn't show up. They chase new ideas, new tricks, and never build the long-term asset or skill that makes money automatically in the background. The real fix is simple. Accept the time cost. Set 90-day goals, not 9-day goals. Focus on output, not income. Write 100 blog posts. Make 50 videos. Do 200 pitches. Learn from each rep and understand. This work is like planting seeds, not picking fruit. It's slow. But if you stay with it, one success can replace your whole job. If you've ever felt like making money online is a myth, you're not alone. The system is noisy, unkind, and built to distract you from the real path. But if you block the noise, follow a simple strategy, improve your skills, and stay consistent. Even for a few months, you can escape the trap and start seeing real money flow in. And more importantly, build freedom, not just income. Hit that subscribe button If you want more videos like this that give you truth, not tricks, and comment below what problem you faced in your money journey, we'll break it down together.